Hey, it's Nani from Printful's marketing team. TikTok's predominantly Gen Z user base should make it clear that the platform isn't a good fit for every brand. So if you're considering advertising on TikTok, ask yourself the question, does my brand target Gen Z and younger millennials? If yes, then go ahead. However, if your target audience is older, you should consider advertising on other platforms. To make sure your TikTok advertising strategy is on the right track, you should take these 4 things into account. You're on TikTok, not Instagram or YouTube. TikTok is a unique platform. Never reuse your Facebook or Instagram ads for TikTok and vice versa. Leave your aspirational content on Instagram and your polished video on Facebook. Make your approach authentic. On Instagram, you can add a promo code or use giveaways to encourage purchases, but these incentives may not work on TikTok. TikTok isn't the place for heavy commercial ads, at least for now. Your goal on TikTok should be about engaging with your audience in creative ways, not pushing sales. Everything in your ad campaign needs to align with the nature of the app. Influencers, influencers, influencers. Influencers are a big deal on TikTok. The app makes it easy for aspiring TikTok users to have their posts go viral and become an influencer with just a few videos. When working with influencers on TikTok, make sure they understand your campaign's main goal and the message you want them to convey, while giving them space for creativity. Music is the key. TikTok creators can make viral videos using remix songs. You can make your ad campaign stand out on TikTok by using music and motion to bring an ordinary aspect of your brand to life. Showcase behind-the-scenes footage and have fun with it. What do you think about advertising on TikTok? Do you have a plan to promote your product on the platform? Let us know in the comments below.